Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, Miss. My name is Muhammad Aska. Today, I would like to present my presentation about malicious program. Introduction. A malicious program or malware is a type of software designed to harm a computer system or steal information from users. It can cause various problems such as deleting files, slowing down the system, or even stealing password and banking data. Definition and key characteristic. Malware is defined by its intent and behavior. Typical characteristics include persistent, surviving system restart, propagation, spreading across files, device, or network. Payload specific harmful actions such as encryption or data theft. Unstill. Types of malicious programs. Number 1. Virus. Attached to files and requires user action to execute. Once active, it can corrupt data or change program behavior. Number 2. Self-replicating software that spreads automatically across networks by exploiting vulnerability, often consuming bandwidth and causing outage. Types of malicious programs Part 2. Number 1. Spyware. Spyware secretly collects user data such as browsing habits, credentials, keystrokes, outward display, unwed advertising, and degrade user experience. Number 2. Ransomware. Encrypt or lock user files and demand payment for a decryption key. Ransomware can bring organization to a halt and cause severe financial and operational damage. Infection vectors. Who malware enters system? Malware can enter systems through many entry points. Common vectors include phishing emails with malicious attachment, malicious or compromised websites that host exploit kits, download of pirates on untrusted software bundled with malware. Malware lifecycle and behavior. A typical malware lifecycle starts with delivery, phishing exploit, execution, running code on the target, establishment of persistent startup entries, scheduled tasks, propagation, spreading to other files or systems. Detection and analysis method. Detection technique include signature-based scanning, heuristic and behavioral analysis, sandboxing, running samples in an isolated environment, and anomaly detection using statistical or machine learning models for incident response and analysis, static analysis, code inspection, and dynamic analysis. Real-world impact and example scenarios. Malware impact range from personal identity theft to massive operational disruption for business and critical service. Example of real-world consequences include stolen customer data leading to regulation fines, ransomware attack halting hospital operation, and goodness overwhelming service with DDoS attack. Prevention, technical controls. Technical control include keeping system and application up to date with security patches, deploying reputable endpoint protection and endpoint detection and response (ERD) tools. Prevention, human and process controls. Human behavior and organizational process matter. Perform regular security awareness training to recognize phishing. Enforce least privilege access policy. Use safe software procurement and code review process. On maintenance and incident response plan that is test regularly. Incident response and recovery checklist. If you suspect malware, isolate affected device immediately to limit spread. Preserve log and evidence for analysis. Conduct forensic analysis to determine scope and root cause, and restore system from verified clean backup. Change password and root credentials that might have been exposed. Communicate transparently with stakeholders and regulation in sensitive data was affected. Summary and final recommendation. Malicious programs are evolving that exploit both technical flaws and human trust. A layered defense that combine to up-to-date technical controls, strong process, user awareness, and test recovery plan is essential. Priority patching, backup, endpoint protection, and ongoing training to reduce risk. Thank you for listening. Software and operating system. Introduction. What is a software? Software is like the brain of or introduction of a computer. Without software, hardware cannot work. Software allow us to type document, browse the internet, play games, or edit photos. What is operating system? The operating system, or OS, is system software that manages all the computer's hardware and software resources. Types of software. Number 1, system software. Number 2, application software. And number 3, utility software. System software helps run the computer hardware and system. Example, Windows, Linux, Mac OS system software help the computer to work properly. It manages hardware and other software. Number 2, application software used by users to do specific tasks. Example, Microsoft Word, Photoshop, and Chrome. Application software is what we use every day. It helps you do tasks like writing, document, editing photo, or browsing the internet. Maintenance and protects the system. Example, antivirus, disk cleaner. Number 3, utility software. What is an operating system? The operating system is a type of system software that controls all parts of the computer. It acts as a bridge between the users and the hardware. Example of operating system. Number 1, Microsoft Windows. Number 2, Linux. Number 3, Mac OS. Number 4, Android. And number 5, iOS. Function of operating system. Number 1, managing files and memory. Number 2, controlling input and output. Number 3, managing system and resource. User interface. The operating system provides a user interface. Some use a graphical interface like Windows, and some use a command line like Linux. Relationship between software and OS. The operating system supports application software to run properly. The OS and software work together. Without an operating system, application software cannot run. And last, summary. Software is a set of programs. The OS is the core system software, and both are important for computer operation. Thank you very much for your attention. That's all from my presentation about malicious program and software and operating system. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.